All right, so let's start. Using a quick test छ म के क्वेशन्सहरु सोध्छु हजुरहरुलाई अनि त्यो क्वेशनको आन्सर्सहरु चाहिँ आफ्नो च्याट बक्समा राइट अवे नराख्नु होला. What I want you to do is त्यो आन्सर सोच्नु होला and then आफ्नो कीबोर्डमा टाइप गरेर रेडी गरेर राख्नु होला and then when I say go you can send those responses. है त? Okay. So our first question is, how many stages are there in the backward design process? The options are 1, 2, or 3. Okay, go. Okay, 2, 3, C, 3, 3, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Please keep those responses coming. Thank you. Now, the next question. Isma pani same drill. Please don't answer. Put your answer in the chat box right away. The question is, what is the first stage of backward design? Define design learning outcomes, identifying acceptable evidence, designing meaningful learning activities. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so another question is, the backward design process is called backward because it starts with, okay, this is getting really, really easy, I would say. Yeah, you can hold your question responses for now. Okay, go. Yeah. Learning outcomes that envision the goal for learning. Thank you so much, everyone. Now, the next question. Which one is not the part of Bloom's taxonomy? Okay, सबैले answers भनिसक्नु भयो. That's okay. So BBB, question and answer, yeah. So Bloom's taxonomy को different levels हरु छ. त्यसमा चाहिँ question and answer भन्ने चाहिँ पर्दैन. है? Yeah. And the other question, please hold your answers in the chat box. I mean in your keyboard. And which one is not correct? Bloom's taxonomy is important as it helps teachers too. And 3 options. अहिले नै आफ्नो responses share नगर्नु होला. All right, so go. You can share your responses. Okay, B, A, C, A. Okay, एकदमै mixed responses आइरहेको छ, which is really interesting to look at. Okay, Kevin Sirle, is this supposed to be a trick question or am I overthinking one, Vasa? We'll come back to that, Kevin sir. Yeah, so एकदमै mixed responses छ है. So I'll pick एक-एकवटा है त. And yeah, यसको कुरा खुलासा गरिदिने नै हो त उमेशलाई. Yeah, so Kevin सरले ठ्याक्कै predict गरिदिहाल्नु भयो हैन, भनिदिहाल्नु भयो. Yeah, this is supposed to be a trick question. अनि we think that यो तीनवटै options हरु चाहिँ correct छ.